Hello, how are you everyone guys? I hope everyone is have a good day. Ayun, we have a good weather today guys. Sa nakikita nyo. As you can see guys, ayan, hindi tayo umulan today. So we don't have a rain for today. Guys, so thank you naman kasi we have a good weather. Ayun, so Miming. Ming, do you feel, are you okay? You feel good? Huh? Do you feel good? Okay. So yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching guys. Have a blessed day everyone. Thank you so much. Have a blessed and good day to all and everyone. Thank you for watching guys. Maraming salamat. Hita tayo. Keep safe. See you next again. Bye. Ayun, Ming. Ming, are you okay? Huh? Okay. Ming. We are here, Ming. Ming. Okay. Thank you so much.